Hello, my name is Winthrop and I am the Director and Pharmacist at Wellchem Pharmaceuticals. Today we're going to talk about what's the difference between chesty cough and dry cough and what are the products available that can help to treat some of the symptoms. So as a healthcare professional, customers or patients sometimes will ask me about cough. So I normally will ask them two basic questions. Is it a chesty cough or dry cough? And do you have any colour in your phlegm? For chesty cough, there is normally phlegm in your throat or in your lungs. Sometimes you will hear or experience rumbling in your chest area. And most of the time when you cough, there's phlegm that will come out. And if there's colour in your phlegm, like yellow or green, it normally indicates some form of infection. And it is best to see a doctor. For dry cough, there's no phlegm. Your throat will be dry, will be scratchy, sometimes will be uncomfortable and painful. So you have heard terms like cough suppressant, mucolytic, expectorant. What do these mean? Cough suppressant helps you to suppress the cough so that it can help you to stop coughing too much, and it is used mainly for dry cough. So mucolytics are products that helps to break down the phlegm or to make it thinner so that it can help you to cough it out easier. So expectorants are products that helps you to cough out the phlegm. Mucolytics help to thin the phlegm and the expectorant helps you to cough it out. Therefore, it is very important not to take a cough suppressant when you have a chesty cough. This is because when you have a chesty cough, your body wants to get rid of the phlegm or the infection. And by taking a dry cough medicine, it actually suppresses your cough. There are many natural remedies that you can take for your cough. So you can take honey, sweets, lozenges, or some herbal or natural cough syrups.